Umkhankaso wesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC wokuyolungisa umonakalo ezifundeni ezine kulesifundazwe. UMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubehola leli thimba lekomidi eBonjanala. Sekube nezinkinga eqenjini kusukela eminyakeni emibili edlule kwahlakazwa ikomidi eliphezulu lesifundazweni ngaphansi kobuholi bukaSuPramahumapilo owayengundunankulu. Ekuhambeni kwesikhathi kwasungulwa ikomidi lesikhashana iIPC elaliholwa uHlomani Chauke. Leli komidi ke lesikhashana ligxeke kakhulu ngokuthatha izinqumo ezingaphusile. Kunesicelo ke sokuthi iqembu ligxile eguquleni impilo yabantu kanye nokuletha uzinzo esifundazweni.
The squabbles amongst us, the fighting for positions, the fighting for material benefit, financial benefit must end, comrades. We must become a united African National Congress, prepared and willing to serve the people of our country.
As much as we can be the messenger, but the people are here to represent the branches and they want to see the president.
We are with the president. We are not going to fight the president. If we see the president.
Phawulile ngomsebenzi owenziwe ikomidi lesikhashana lesifundazwe eligxekwa kakhulu.
We can see that they are under attack, so that's why we are supporting them. We are here to demonstrate, to show them the support that they have from our branches.
The Secretary General of the ANC said that there is no ANC without Supra in the North West. So we are just here to demonstrate that even without Supra Mahumapelo, the ANC is still here.
Kulindele ukuthi leli komiti lase North West liphothule umsebenzi walo ngomasingana wonyaka ozayo emva kwengqungquthela yesifundazwe.